Hey everyone, just Ari here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you sort of a detailed video on how I installed these faux locks. I think they came out so dope. I'm about to go on vacation, so I just feel like I needed a protective style. I didn't want to do my hair. I didn't want to have a weave or anything like that. So I decided to go with the faux locks, and I love the way they came out. They're giving me that like goddess island gal look, and I absolutely love it. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I installed these locks, definitely stay tuned. Everything I use in this video will be linked down below in my description box. So if you're interested in purchasing any of these locks that I use, definitely check that out down below. And let's just head right into the video. So as you can see, I did basically 90% of my hair already. I'm going to show you guys the products that I use to achieve this style. And the locks that I did use is the Bobby Boss Bomber Faux Locks. And this is what it looks like. I used 4 packs so far. And I still have a few from that 4th pack. So I'm probably only going to need 4 packs of hair. I did buy 6 just in case. And I had to order them offline because they're not available at my local beauty supply store, unfortunately. So I'll leave that down in the description box of where I got them from. And I used the color 27, and I really like this color, and it's cute, it's different. I did do the individual method, probably why it took me about 5 hours to do my hair. And I used some wavy hair, some curly hair, some wet and wavy braiding hair, basically. And you can buy that from your local beauty supply store as well. I honestly don't have the packaging. I threw it out. My bad, guys. But you could buy any color hair that matches the locks that you're going to use. And that's exactly what I did. So when I achieved this style, I didn't use any type of parting method or anything like that. I kind of just went with the flow. And what I'm going to do is just break a piece off like this. And about this size section I use for my entire head. And then I just twisted this back to the back and out the way. And then for my hair to be protected and have some moisture in this style, I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Smoothie. And I'm basically just putting this on the ends of my hair just to give my hair some moisture while it's in this style. So just put this on my ends. And then what I'm gonna do is basically just braid my hair in a box braid. Now for the locks that have this wavy hair at the tips that you see, I'm gonna do that for the next lock. And like I said, I don't do any perfect parting. I just grab a piece of hair, tuck away what I'm not gonna use. I don't have a clip, so I'm gonna just tuck it in that bun. And then what I like to do is just take a piece, and it comes like this. Make one side longer than the other. So this side will be shorter and this side will be longer. And then I just go in and braid it in. So there, boom. So then you have the braid that has no hair, and then you have the braid that has some of that wet and wavy hair that we talked about. And I basically just braid it all the way until my hair is kind of in the braid. So, and then I leave this piece out right here. And I know it looks a little bit crazy right now, but don't worry, we're gonna fix that. So then, just so that, you know, we don't get these two confused, I'm gonna tuck this away for now. And then I'm gonna start off with the piece that is just our hair. So this is just my hair. And what I'm gonna do is just take one of those locks, and it looks like this. They come like this, and it comes with a little hole for the crochet needle to fit through. And what I do is just open it up all the way to the bottom. So when you open that up, it should kind of look like this. Now I know it looks a little crazy, but like I said, we're gonna fix it. So what I like to do is then, next I'll take my crochet needle, I'll stick it right underneath my braid. And then I'll take that lock and then put it through the hook and then pull it through. And then once it's through like this, I'll just take the shorter side that I want and kind of match it up with my hair like that. So this is one half of the lock, and then this is my hair, and then I'll just match it up. And then after that, I'll find the way that it kind of coils, and then I'll wrap that around all the way into the bottom. As you can see, I had to redo it because I was wrapping the wrong way. It looked a little rough, but it was good. It was good, real good. And then that's basically, you wrap it all the way till you can't no more, and then it looks like this. And that gives it like a natural look, so I like to like do that to it, and then voila. And I basically do the same method, but I don't open up the lock all the way to the bottom. I just open it where the crochet needle could fit through, and I put that under the braid like I did the other one. Then I hook this onto the crochet needle, and always make sure you close the latch because you don't want to get your hair caught. And then once it's through, you could take that little loop like this, put the lock through it, and then tighten it just to make sure it's secure on your hair. So then you have the lock right here, and then you have the braid right here. And I just do the same method. I basically find which way that the lock is raveled, and then twist in that opposite, unravel in that opposite direction, so that way it could ravel around my real hair. So you see how it's like it bounces back. When I was doing this one, it was spiraling back up my hair because I was raveling the wrong way. That's how you know you're locking your hair the wrong way, when it kind of ravels back up and it's not like your hair isn't secure. If I get to the bottom of that, I like to do the same thing, kind of make sure the hair is in place, and then it looks like this. Now this is too long because I just basically wanted it to be like a little bit longer, so that way I could see how long I want it. And then I just take my scissors and kind of cut off a little bit of the bottom. And then I kind of twirl my fingers so it could go back to that curly look. And voila, you have your faux lock with like the goddess bottom. And then I'll show you the other one again without it. And this is the one without. So this is the one with, and this is the one without. And I basically did that all over my entire head. And that's how I got this look. So I'm gonna do the other two, speed it up real quick, and then we can get right into how we did the 613. So now that we are done with the 27 hair. I'm gonna show you guys how I do the 613 hair, how I made my locks. So like I said, I just bought some Marley hair, and I'm gonna kind of do the same method that I did with the locks, but this time with the Marley hair I kind of have to separate it a little bit. So I'm gonna just take one of them and do that same lock like I did with the locks and kind of feed it through my hair. So I'm gonna take that crochet needle and put it through, and then I'm gonna take that piece of hair and feed it through my hair. And then I'm gonna just take like the shortest piece and kind of attach it to one side, and then just start raveling this hair around it. Now this is the way people usually do their faux locks, but I'm not doing that. Like the way I would be sitting here for like 10 hours trying to really do my whole head like this, no. So now that we're finally towards the ends and everything kind of looks even, I did make this one like super duper long on purpose, but now that it's like kind of towards the ends and it looks like this, I don't know if you can see that. I basically just wrap upwards after I already wrapped it down. I kind of wrapped it back up itself, and then I go in with some, I know this might sound crazy, but I don't know what glue that is y'all use on your hair when y'all trying to seal in the ends. So I just bought some Gorilla Glue, that I had in my house, and I'm just gonna use that because I feel like that's the only way it's really gonna stay. Then what I do is I take this end and some mousse, and I just add some mousse to the ends of this blonde braiding hair that I put in. Just add that to it just so it'll stay to this perm rod that I have, and I just wrap this around the perm rod and then dip it in some hot water, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know it was a little bit extra, a little bit detailed, but I wanted to show you guys exactly how I install my faux locks. This is basically how I do it most of the time with the wavy hair at the bottom, but this time I wanted to kind of mix it up and do some with the hair, some without the hair. I love this hair. It's super lightweight. It's definitely not heavy. The only thing that adds a little bit of weight to it is the blonde, because it is the Marley hair, and the Marley hair can tend to get heavy, but that's why I really didn't do a lot of them. I only did like probably like 5 pieces of blonde just to give some streaks in there. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is the front, obviously. This is all of the locks to the front. And then I'm gonna show you guys the back. I appreciate all you guys' love and support. I really do appreciate that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So see you in my next one. Peace out.